Pyramid. Fold the napkin in half diagonally. With the open end facing away, fold the long side up by 1 inch. Then fold the napkin in half and roll it tightly into a cylinder. Tuck and A the end into the base. Candle. Fold the napkin diagonally into a triangle. Fold the bottom edge up about 2 inches. Carefully roll the napkin tightly from one side to the other. Then tuck the end into the base. Banana. Fold the napkin in half. With the open end toward you, create accordion pleat starting from one narrow end to the other. Fold in half and stand it up. Fan. Accordion pleat the napkin, leaving a few inches at the end. Fold in half with pleats on the outside and tuck the unfolded ends into the base to secure it. Bishop's hat. Fold in half diagonally to form a triangle. Fold the 2 base corners. Up to the top point, fold the bottom. Point 2/3 of the way up, flip over, tuck one corner into the other, and pull up the corners. Sailboat. Fold in half, then fold the corners down to form a triangle. Fold the bottom up and roll the sides together to form a cone-like shape. Lotus. Fold all 4 corners of the napkin to the center, then do it again. Flip it over. Fold the new corners to the center. Hold this center down and pull the underside flaps out.